Okay, good evening po sa this is now your second game for tonight po tayo ngayon. This is our second game for tonight. Between of course playing red, the red cast po yan versus po white and navy blue combination. Yan naman po ang The Hub. Okay. Okay. This is your aviation friendly Dub as a flying league. Would like first to thank the following sponsors: Thread Danilos and Team LBC Halo ng Padala, and of course SPB Ara and PSBG Basketball League, and of course these are participating teams: Cabin Line, The Hub, Oryx, Inflights, CAS, Airport United, Boleros, Cure Towers, Freighters, Sky Team, and Mechanicos. Welcome po sa ating pong elimination, and now second game for tonight po tayo. Week number 2 is CAS versus The Hub. CAS playing po ng red-black combination po tayo versus ang Hub po yan, white and navy blue combination. Good evening po sa ako si Arvin G. Vlog, si Ju, this is your host, and of course I will deliver the blow-by-blow account po ng ligang ito between Hub versus CAS. And CAS also, CAS looking now for the championship to make it now 3-peat. Nakakadalaw na po silang sunod po ang CAS, and they're hoping now to make sure now that the third championship on the way, not unless po na ibang teams po dyan will stop them in their championship. Oh, Makoy, kamusta? Sa idol, ano yung sa ano mo? Ano yung sa ano mo?
Ay, hindi. Parang yung injury dito sa
Oh, okay. Ano, magkala si JD?
JD? Ah, nasa Oryx na siya.
Hmm? Sino pinalit niya?
Wala.
Ba, si Jose. Yung Jose rin, yung Jose.
Oryx din.
Okay.
Lipat-lipat na yun.
Okay. Okay, first starters po tayo. Tan, sa Selado. Si Isa, of course, si Arnaldo, si Castor, at si... Okay, tapos na. Apat na. At si Gozub. Sa pangalawa po, si Junicio naman po, si number 11, si number 18, si Pilaw po yan, at si number 15 niya po, si De Padua. Okay, first quarter matchup now is on the way already. Okay, Ayan na, Julius Babagay, may sinasabi na si Owens. It's watching, nandito po Sir Owens, hindi po, Jonas Manapat is also watching also, good po sa sir. Julius Babagay, idol po si number 61, si Rob Castor. Ito na, game number 2 on the way now. Tan, number 19. Binabantay na kagad. Gozum, Tan, Arnaldo, against Pilaw, pero traveling ka ng binanata na bata. Sabi nila sa mga liman, shoutout po kay Maverick Valdez. Pwede na po nga ako anakan. Ano ba yan? Hoy! Rated Pilaw, no good. Rebound by De Padua. Kumat po. Lost the ball po tayo. Pilaw, good ball. Sana tumeping nga. Stepping on the line si Pilaw. Jepox is on the house already. Okay. Towers versus Airport United. Dito na may where na you. Julius Babagay, Jurex, durable player of the game. Now, si and Obas, Robas, tigas of the player of the game. Si Ralph Castor. Tan, driving show. Wala. Down. Sabi ng referee, it's down. Number 60 called for the foul. Arnaldo for the inbound. And now kay Tan, number 19. Pops up. No. It's Gozu. No good. Pilaw. Foul called. Pilaw, yung pitch stalwart po dati po ng team contact center na napunta po sa Oryx. Ngayon, balik po siya po sa may Hub naman. Kailan sa mga pakishot mo kay Sherry Ralph, kay Julie Bustos. 3 points. Pilaw, 3 points. Osim Brantes, of course, Ralph Castro po para po sa MVP. Tan number 19, pops up, no, Gozum. Pops up, Sisa, no good. Arnado, power move, nawala ng bola. Junicio, nandun ang red shirts. Gozum. Wala. Rebound again by De Padua. And na binalik po kay Junicio. Junicio binabang bola. Junicio, crossover move. Junicio. Malakas. De Padua nag-rebound. De Padua, kick pass kay Tan. Tan din. Pilao 2 points. 5-none. 5-none. May Tan din pa ng kabala. Number 25 po ng The Hub. May Tan din po dito. Number 19 naman ang Cas. Oy! 3 seconds. Yes, sorry. Foul call. Number 19. Offensive foul daw. Confirm po. Okay. Gumamit po ng pinagbabawal na technique. Balik muli po tayo now. Junicio. Binabambo ni Junicio ngayon. Austin Brandt. Shout out kay Malcolm Shore. Okay. Mr. MVP po yan. Balik po tayo. Eto na. Mr. De Padua. Foul on Isa. Isa, the big man, called for the foul. Isa, the big man, called for the foul. De Padua, number 28. Pops up. Wala. De Padua, second shot, jumper shot po tayo at 7:01 remaining sa ating first quarter action. De Padua, no good. Pilao, Bishop kay De Padua. Labas ko muna doon dyan, sabi nila. And now kay Gotcha. Junicio. Pilao for 3. Nope. It's Junicio. Kick pass. Kay number 16. De Padua still complete. Bernardo. Binato ka ng bola. Tan on the run. Crossover move. Tan. Nope. It's Gozun. No good. Rebound by Pilao. Pilao naka-rebound. Number 9 to Junicio from Garcia. Number 16 Garcia again. Pilao for 3. Bangs it in. Back-to-back field goals. Back-to-back field goals on Pilao. On Pilao like a well-oiled machine already. And to Castor, Ralph Castor, Disha pas kay Arnado, binaba, foul! Huwag kang maggaganon, boss, baka ma-technical ka. Huwag mong subukan, baka masira ang buhay mo. Okay, Arnado, number 21, shooting for 2. The score is 8-none. It's in. Okay, first shot. First point for Cas. Gozum, number 18. Arnado, second throw. Pasok sana, hindi. Nando si Arnado, nakaribang kagad. Arnado, Isa, power move. In and out, one more time. Nice shot pa Isa. Junicio, pinasok kay Garcia. 5:32 remaining. De Padua, dukot, muntik na. De Padua, number 61, Ralph Castor. De Padua, 28, shooting for 2. Antahan nyo po yung second 5 po mga boss. De Padua, pops up. Pasok. De Padua, second shot, jumper ready po tayo. De Padua, second shot, jumper ready po tayo. Pops up. No good. Rebound by the red shirts. To Tan, binababa ang bola. Tan. Shoutout po. Chong Pilao, sabi ni Lipit. Dukot, Gozum, pasok. Dukot, pasok. And change pair na po tayo. Change 5 po tayo. Okay, change 5. Okay, sure, change 5 po natin. Para po sa Cas, number 7, si Omas. Si number 27, si Asinjo. At si Dalida. Saan po natin po si number 5. Kabila na po sa taha po si 57, si number 7, si number 14, si Najib. Si number 0, si Valdez. At si number 7 to complete now para po sa The Hub. This shows with you, Arvin G. Vlogs. You're watching right now, ang liga ng mga lumilipad, Aviation Friendly, the Balsa Flying League. Binababa ngayon ni San Miguel. Iba may pinagsamahan pag San Miguel talaga. Foul! Ibang may pinagsamahan.
Foul number 15.
Foul on 15. San Miguel, number 7, shooting for 2. Oh, for 3. Sorry. First shot, no good. Second shot by San Miguel. Second shot by San Miguel. Lance Mangaliman, yan na si Idol Mavic Valdez. Sabi na binilipit, kondisyon si Junicio. Kumbulsyon yata. First shot, no good.
Number 7.
Najib, nakalusot. Najib, running shot, no good. Binaba Asinjo.
Pass to number 15.
Dalida. Or Matay Sander.
Pass to
Tomas.
number 7.
Number 5, Asinjo Dukot. Foul!
Foul number 57.
Boy India is watching. Asinjo shooting for 2. Pasok. Okay, slowly but surely, nabubuhay na po ng dugo po ang Team Cats. Hinahabol po na po unti-unti po ang Kalamangan. Pops up. No good. Rebound to Najib. Same ball. Stepping on the line si Najib. Soon to be dad, Najib. Congratulations po in advance. Nagkaroon po sila po ng isang as po ng FB page po. Gender reveal. Malakas. It's a boy for Najib. Dalida out of bounds. Balik po tayo. Again, 0 po tayo. Valdez, San Miguel, binaba ang bola. San Miguel, number 7 San Miguel. Nakuha ng pick. Pops up. Bangs it in. 3 points. Number 3 for 3 points. Ng The Hub. San Miguel, hinahabol ng bola. Again, call for a foul. That's Bustos, number 3 for 3 points kanina.
Foul number 57.
3:31 remaining. First quarter action drawing to a close. Again, San Miguel. Nope, Asinjo. No good. Rebound, Najib. Pinapkaga, pinasa kay Bustos. Bustos, 2 points. Mainit si Jeff Bustos. He's hot. Foul on San Miguel. Hindi po kasama po rito yung pasahan ng bola. Okay. Ako isang hamak na komentador lang lamang po. Okay. Pinababa po ng bola. Omas, number 7. Omas. Pinasa ka Sinjo. Omas. Foul. Palpal. Smothered by Najib. Asinjo. Foul call on Valdez.
Foul number 15. Listen.
Okay, Mr. Dalida shooting for 2 at 2:30 remaining sa ating first quarter action. First shot, no good. No good. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw on Mr. Dalida, pops up. Basket made. Okay, laman po ng siyam ang The Hub to 2:28 remaining.
Number 7.
Number 7. Pops up, hindi. Ayun. Najib. Foul.
Foul number 27.
Okay, Najib Nasir. Number 27, called for a foul on Asinjo. Nasir Najib, shooting for 2. A minute and 51 remaining. Pops up. In and out. Sorry. Second shot jumper siya, hindi po tayo. Najib Nasir. Second throw, pasok.
Second throw, basket.
Okay, 15. Kontra 5. 10 po kalamangan. Mga laban to, 21. Maraming salamat po. Aniel Lipit, lakas ng dahab, 2 muse. Okay. Rocamora. Binababa ang bola. Number 7, binaban si Valdez. Valdez, no good. Dalida ng rebound. Dalida ng mamadali. Dalida, wala rin. Nandun sa Asinjo. What a putback by Asinjo. A minute and 8:16 remaining. First quarter action, patapos na. San Miguel, binaba ang bola. San Miguel for 3. Tapos, ayun. Valdez, nandun pala. Out of bounds. Di nasalo. Number 5. That's Perez. Pinasa kay Mr. Dalida. Dalida, binaba ang bola. Dalida to Asinjo. Bank shot look, number 7. Wala. Rebound, Asinjo, wala pa rin. Rebound battle. San Miguel nanalo po. Valdez to Mendoza. Mendoza pops up. No good. Dalida, pinapatay ni Bustos. Dalida. Nice interception by San Miguel. Foul! Number 7 called for a foul. Ano apelido ng number 7? Apelido. Hindi Rocamora for sure. Okay, Mark Toto is watching right now. And San Miguel, nagmamadali. Nice pass kay Mendoza. Pasok. 5 seconds remaining. Whoa! Nice stop. Okay, after the first quarter action, laman po ng 10 ang Dahab. 17-7. Standby po tayo po sa second quarter action. If you're wondering what league is this, ito po ang liga naman lumilipad, Aviation Friendly Doubles of Flying League. And we'd like to thank the following sponsors. Nandiyan po ang Thread the Needles, Team LBC Hanan Padra, PSB Basketball League, and of course SBB Ara for keeping the game in a neat and orderly fashion. Second quarter action on the way now. Of course, si JS is there. JS supporting already along with Defensor, si number 0, si Mr. Ngite, si Mr. Smiling Face, number 24, at si, of course, si kanilang stakeholder, si Aris Sila. Ang kabilang ko, of course, nandiyan si Dwight, si number 13, si number 9, at si number 17 ng Dahab. Timer. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you po. Okay, Dwight, number 20 for the inbound. Dwight, number 20 to Mr. Natro, number 2. Dwight again. Dwight setting up the pace. Nando pops up, difficult shot, no good. Rebound by the red shirts. Number 0. De Guzman. Uy, muntik na. Backing violation. Sayang, ganun lang, hairline lang. Okay, JS. Binababa po ngayon ang bola. Nitro for 3. Kapos. Stepping on the line. That's 17 stepping on the line. Balik muli po tayo. That's De Guzman. Binasa kay Mr. Defensor, ang kanyang defense minister. JS for 3. Malakas. Pasa yata yun. Naipin ang konti. Binasa kay Alex Sila. Alex Sila. Foul!
Nakakuha ng foul. Grabe, power move. Foul number 7.
Foul number 7. 17 rather, called for a foul. Aricila number 6. 6 shooting for 2. First shot ni Aricila, no good. Second throw ni Aricila number 6. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Basket number made. Aris na kasi nakalibang muli. De Guzman to Aris. Defensor setting up the pace.
Defensor. Number 0.
De Guzman, dog number 0. Defensor, kick pass kay Bautista. Malakas. Airball. Oh, holding foul called.
Foul number 17.
Number 17. Number
Number 17.
17 called for the foul. Balik muli po sa pula ang bola. At 8:27 remaining. JS. Santos. Serrano Herrera. Defense over 3. No go. Goy! Pinatombo. Tinulak.
Foul number 0.
Number 0 called for the foul at 8:06 remaining. Power move si Aris. Parang no luluksin. Okay. Nitro. Dwight. Pops up. No good. Dapat siya naka-rebound. Defensor pinapabola. Nice pass kay Bautista. Wala ka, boss. One more time, Bautista. Foul and one play. Gusto na Bautista pala, binubuot yung kanyang kalaban. Bautista shooting for the bonus free throw at 7:41 remaining, second quarter action. Lowell Barredo, si idol defensor pala yun. Opo, sir.
Number 2.
Low. Dwight pops up. No good. JS kick pass. Bautista magsa. Malakas. Malakas.
Number 2.
Number 12. Number 2, Nitro. Uy.
Number 2.
Uy.
Nitro. Nitro shot.
Nitro. No good. Airball. Airball, airball. Okay, change space daw po tayo. I think defensor is still playing the big guard position. Defensor playing the big guard right now. Kick pass kay Bautista. Foul.
Foul number 17. Pangatlo mo na yan, Redor.
17, third personal foul. That's Runzu. Bautista shooting for 2. Pops up. It's in. Nothing but net. Second shot by Bautista. Jumper siya rin po tayo. Ron Eru. Ron Eru.
Retro basket. Retro.
No good. Rebound by number 9. Number 9 to number 20. Binababa pang bola. Number 20. That's Dwight for you. Number 9. Power move. Palpal. Smothered by JS.
Bautista again. Bautista nagmamadali.
Defensor, 2 points. Transition play by Cass. Defensor, nice harass. Nice harass, nice D by Defensor. Nitro, forcing the turnover. Move like that. Nitro, no good. Rebound by number 9 against JS. 2 points. 2 points, number 9. JS, foul called.
Foul number 9.
Kalimlim called for the foul.
Kalimlim. First personal, second personal foul.
JS, first shot. It's out. Second shot, JS. Jumper siya ready po tayo. Second free throw ni JS, jumper Sherry. No good. Hop. Isa pa. Early entry. Early entry para sa Hub. One more shot given.
Sa restricted area.
No good. And one play again.
Basket down, foul number
And one
9.
play made again. Nagtabi mang kuya.
Bonus point goal.
Bautista, bonus free throw, no good. Okay, Ron. To Dwight against Sila. Binababa ni Dwight ang bola. Nitro.
Number 17.
Ron. To Nitro again. To Sirowa. Sirowa. Bank shot made. Okay. 21-14. A 47-point advantage against Seal. Been posted by the Hub.
Defensor.
Defensor. What a play. Vintage defensor. Uy. JS ang rebound.
Number 15.
JS rebounding. JS 2 points.
Isa pa.
Sirowa.
Number 13.
No good. And off the leg. Change 5 po tayo. 5:01 remaining. The score is 18-21. A 3-point lead advantage has been enjoyed by Team Hub Overcast. Jason Chongson is watching. Yes sir, good evening sir. Sir Chongson, kamusta po kayo sir? Idol. The big man from Qatar. Jason Chongson. Of course, okay, dito po tayo ngayon. Okay, eto na. Si Arnado, kay Gozong, kumat po kagad. Nice one! By Castor. Ralph Castor, 2 points. Junicio, kay 16. Pilaw na naman ang 3 points. 3 points Pilaw. Mark Iguban, mga idol kong taga-lounge, pa-shoutout po. Castor na naman. No good. 3-second violation call. 3-second violation called. Mark Iguban is watching. Mga idol kong taga-lounge, pa-shoutout po. Okay, thank you.
Pass to number 16.
Pilaw for 3. Unstoppable. Puro lahat 3 points ang pinapakal ni Pilaw. Grabe. Pilaw, all 3 points. All field goals were 3 points. 3 points naman Pilaw ni Tan. Bumawi ka si Tan. 3 points din. 22-27. Pilaw sa ilalim. Wala. Ginama wala. Push na push. Tan. Hop. Lumala mo bola. Arnado, minang bola si Gosum. Kay Ralph Castor to Gosum again. Gosum, tingin 3, ayaw. Gosum. Tan, driving strong. Gosum for 3. No good. Arnado naka-rebound. Nope. Foul. Ano tawag, ref?
Foul number 21.
Number 21 called for the foul. Ayan na, dumatating na sila. Okay, 3:01 remaining. Bruce. Lionel Bardlas is watching. Nonong Rivera is watching also. Nonong, nasan ka? Hinahanap ka namin dito. Tan, binababa ang bola. Tan, binababa ang bola. Tan. Kumakat.
To number 61.
Ralph Castor called for the fourth the traveling at 2:31 remaining. The score is 23-27. Lamang po ng 4 ang The Hub Overcast.
Number 20.
De Padua, Disho pass, 2 points. Pilaw.
Yan, para kay number 18.
Tan naman, Tan for 3. Nope.
Number 61.
Out of bounds.
Good! Patayin niyo kunin. Hanggang hindi tumatama sa press ng bola. Pwede kunin niya para magsakot.
Junicio, Garcia for 3.
Susubok sa press.
Ayaw. Isa, nakalibang. Isa rebounding. Ralph Castor. Changing pace. Nice cut. Ralph Castor. Oh! Traveling naman tinawag ng referee kay Ralph Castor. Traveling call on Ralph Castor at 1:32 remaining. Still, ang Hapo still under control right now. Garcia pops up. De Padua, wala. Rebound by Isa. And now kay Tan. Tan nagmamadali. Tan, power move. Boy! Foul called. Pakicheck lang yung tuhod po. Maraming salamat po. Alam mo na. 1:11 remaining. 23-29. Assisted advantage. Been posted by Team The Hub. Tan driving strong, pops up, no good. Rebound battle by Castor. Castor naman nagbabay. Castor! Malakas! Dalawa! Castor muli! Pal! Pinalpal! Pilaw! Junicio, binababa ang bola. Junicio! Ayun! Garcia, 2 points. 43 seconds remaining at an 18-point advantage shall be posted again by The Hub. Tan. If you're wondering po, I think si third yata nakabakasyon. Si
Number
Canton.
61.
Foul! Foul bait. Better move.
Sumabay sa patibok.
Okay, number 61, Castor shooting for 2. First shot. Wala. Second shot jumper siya rin po tayo kay Rob Castor at 26 seconds remaining sa ating second quarter action. Afterwards po, picture po tayo.
Basket.
Basket made. No good.
Number 19. Pass to number 20.
2 points. Go zoom, 2 points.
10 seconds.
10 seconds remaining. Garcia. Binabantay na. Junicio nakalusot. Junicio. Palpal. Wala na. Why? Halftime po tayo. Picture muna po tayo. Okay, the score right is 25-31. Halftime po tayo. At 6-point advantage still enjoyed by the Hub over CAS. And please take note po ha, defending champion po ang CAS po sa ligang ito ha. Okay, second half. Solid, Mr. Alec Justin Nitro. Swak lahat, sabi ni Tulyaw. Nichols yan, si Nichols.
Sir Martin,
Ito, Musan. Ito.
pwede ba shot ng 30 Canton?
Oh,
Ng
30,
Cas?
oo. Ng CAS. 30 Canton, where na yun? Dito na sila. Okay, balik po tayo. Okay, si Dalida. Third quarter na po tayo. Dalida, Umas, si Perez, si Asinjo, at si Bautista. Sa kabila po, of course, si Valdez, si number 7, si number 3. Yan po si Bustos, si number 14, at si number 57. Umas, binababa ang bola ng Umas. Dalida, Umas. 7 na. Kapatay sa lupa. Umas, driving strong. Nope. It's Dalida. Net, Asinjo. Nope. Asinjo! No good. Perez, ang rebound. Default shot, no good pa rin. Okay, white shirts, rebounding. Bustos, binababa ang bola ni Bustos. Number 3, Bustos, wala. Andiyan pala si Idol Pilaw, sabi ni Lowell Barredo. Opo, sir. Nagpapolo ng 3 points. Hop! Si Daisy Perez called for the foul. Perez called for the foul. Okay, number 9-10 remaining. 25-31. San Miguel, number 7. Okay, Nasir against Omas. Nasir, driving throw. 2 points. Nasir, 2 points. Binababa ang bola ngayon ni Mr. Dalida. Si Bautista, kung tumangat ang bola. Bautista driving strong, turn around, palpal. Nando si Dalida, si Perez, Dalida again, Dalida, Perez, Dalida. Nanakaw ng bola. Foul! Dalida called for the foul. Balik muli po tayo. Valdez binababa ang bola. And now kay Mr. San Miguel. Kumuha ng pick. Tauwi pinipik. Okay, Mendoza. Nasir Najib. Najib paid away shot. No good. Rebound. Still completed. Si Bautista. Nando si Bautista naman. Nandun, Air Force, Dalida, 2 points. Popping up, 2 points. Pops up for 2. I think they're now having some sort of a trap defense po ngayon. Number 0, binigay kay Valdez. Kay number 0, Mendoza, San Miguel. Binababa ang ball ni San Miguel. To Nasir, Nasir for 3. Yes. No good. Timeout CAS now. 27-30 still at 6-point advantage. Been enjoyed by CAS. By Hub over CAS. And CAS trailing behind by 6 points at 7:22 remaining of the third quarter action. And after this po is QR Towers versus, ano po natin yan, ang Airport United. Airport United finished first place po tayo. Defeated in the championships by CAS. And CAS also starting its second campaign already. Trying now to enter into the championship and maybe eventually taking back again the goal. Binababang bola ngayon. Of course, defensor. Nando si Tan. Defensor again. Nice D. Santos pops up, Tan, no good. Rebound up with the Hub. Hub rebounding. Tan, inipit na. Valdez, nagmamadali. Valdez! In and out. Rebound, Padua, 2 points. Padua, 2 points. 6:30 remaining. Nice one by Gozum. Defensor, tapping battle. Naipit. Number 7. Down. Who's foul, rep? Number 2, Nitro. Coke for the foul. Nitro. 28. Number 50. Pops up. Boy! Traveling again, Tan. Tan, call for the travel. Mali.
San Miguel. Pass to number 28, San Miguel. Sunod row. So number 19. Number 20. Follow up San Miguel. Basket.
San Miguel hounding. 3 points by JS. Shoutout kay Idol Team Cast watching from London. Sabi ni Lumawag. Okay, London Bridge is falling down. Number 2. Ayun lang. Valdez sa Mesiro. JS Tan. No good.
Foul number 18.
Go, Christian! Go, Tan!
Number 18, first na foul.
Tan again, no good. Nando si Tan, palpal! Blocked! Blocked by Junicio. Ay, by Padua. Valdez. Nice use of pass. Valdez, kick, pass, kick. San Miguel. Teka muna ito. Teka lang. Set up doon tayo. Set up. De Padua. Shipped away. Gozum, still completed. Junicio nagmamadali. Junicio. Defensor. JS, top board. Pinapakita ni JS sino talaga siya. JS, what a top board. 3:59 remaining. San Miguel, number 7. Pop sa Pilaw. No good. Rebound JS. JS, kick pass kay Tan. Malakas ang pasa. Sab muna po tayo, okay? Valdez, labas muna para kay number 16. And of course, isa lang po, si Nitro para kay number 9 ng Hub. Uy! Nice steal. Nice steal, nice steal.
Number 7 now, number 61.
Scott is watching. Thank you po, sir. Maraming salamat po sa ating 24 loyal viewers right now. Number 9, 2 points. 2 points, number 9. Tinaraan ni Kuya. Tinaraan ni kapatid. Kamukha talaga. Castor, Ralph, nakalusot. Pinasa muna, palabas kay Defensor. Defensor, out of bounds. Uy. Nice tap out by Najib.
10 to shoot.
Pak. JS, and one play made by JS. JS now taking out his matters in own hands. Para sa amin, kinakailangan upang JS shooting for 2. Okay, basket made. Nothing but net. Garcia. Foul! Foul called. Who's foul rep?
Foul number
61.
Foul number 61.
61. Called for a foul. Kalimlim shooting for 2. No good.
First free throw.
Kalimlim second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. No good. Rebound battle won by the Hub. Hub. Palpal. Kalimlim. 3 seconds nga tinawag.
Nagandang rotation.
12 to 11 remaining.
Tatlo na lang po ang kalamangan ng
Hub, tatlo na lang po kalamangan. Defensor. Defensor. Nice tap again. JS again. JS.
basket down, foul number 23.
JS for the bonus free throw to tie the ball game. Nope. Rebound battle won by same ball.
Number 10 out, pasok. Number 10 out, David Salam, si Sando,
Still completed.
Garcia.
Garcia. Out of bounds, malakas. Ariel Amampang is watching. Hoy, Sir Amampang, ba't nasang patula ka rito? Ang Amampang Jasserman, nasan ka na? Ariel Amampang is watching. Time for 3. No good. Rebound by the Hub. Hub, binababa ang bola. Hub.
Garcia.
Junicio. Najib. Pinasa. 3 seconds na naman. Sub. Mendoza para kay Junicio. 103 remaining. Okay. 103 remaining. Again, Tan with De Guzman, with JS, with Isa and of course Castor for 3. No good. Rebound by Mendoza. Nandun si Tan. Tan naman. No good.
Number 14.
Number 14 called for a foul. That's Najib. After this ball is of course Airport United versus of course Towers. Airport United also coming from a great win over Oryx. Clutch shot by Manson Renzo. Okay, 39 all. Tumabla na po tayo, muli po tayo. Tumabla naman tayo. 46 remaining. Timer. Thank you. 46 remaining. Binatong bola. Kalimlim. No good. Rebound battle by the red shirts. Tan, nawala ang bola. Good ball. Balik. Sabi nga, balik daw.
Mendoza.
Sabi ni shoutout naman dyan, idol. Sabi nga nila Mampang. Nasaan ka nga, boss? Garcia, 3 points ka. 3 points by Garcia. Talagang Tan, driving strong. Okay, wag mo na raw. Sabi daw, Isa to JS. For 3, ang layo. And one play made.
Number 27.
That's a very poor foul po on the part of the hub, really. JS shooting for the bonus free throw to complete the 4-point play, possible 4-point play. It's out. Sorry. Okay, after 3 quarters, the score is 44-42. Lamang na po ang CAS. Okay, you're watching now CAS versus the Hub. This is your liga naman lumilipat, the Flying League, Aviation Friend League, dubbed as the Flying League. And of course, nandito po ang Team LBC and of course, Trade the Needles. And of course, SBB ARA and PSBQ. And of course, these are the participating teams. Welcome po sa ating eliminations. And you're watching ito, the Hub versus CAS. CAS now catch up already, 44-42. 44-42 at 10 minutes are remaining. Again, final 10 minutes of the ball game. Amorsolo de Reyes at the CAS is watching right now. Garcia de Padua against Asinjo. Lost the ball. Bautista. Pinamadali. Bautista. 2 points, Bautista. Okay na. Bautista, 2 points. Nagdulus. Pilaw for 3. Ayaw. Pilaw. Driving zone. Offensive pick. Offensive foul on De Padua. Sorry, on Tan, rather. Kumakas sila di Pato eh. No good. Castor, nakalusot, 2 points. 48-42, 6-point advantage already. Again, an error again. Bautista, nakalusot naman, Bautista, wala. Asinjo. 2 points Asinjo. And time out called. Okay, an 8 to nothing blast registered by CAS over the Hub, setting at score 50-42 at 8:51 remaining. Si So pala maglaro sa tower.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Okay, back to the ball game ulit po tayo. Gios and Chow, Rad, grabe yung Grab Castor. Pinoy step daw. Okay. Garcia. Ayaw. Pops up Garcia. No good. Rima Barra one by Bustos. Foul. Oh, foul. Ano, sir?
Sa CCTV.
Traveling violation. Tinawag. Defensor again now, supporting back in. So Perez the defensor again. Defensor setting up the play.
Defensor.
JS for 3. No good. Perez. Wala pa rin. Perez, the big man. Wala pa rin. Valdez, binaba ang bola. 2 points, number 3. Ariel Amampang, napalitan mo ng paa. Ayan. Ariel Amampang, palitan mo ng paa mo ng moton para makalaro ka. Hehehe. Bautista 2 points. Bautista nang bubutang ng bantay. Binababa po ngayon po kay now Bustos. Number 3, Bustos again. Pop sa Bustos, kapos. JS kick pass kay Bautista. Bautista 2 points. The smiling face. Bautista 2 points. Dumalayo naman. 10 na kalamangan. Valdez.
Garcia. Pagmalibutan tayo.
Padua, no good. Rebound, battle one by. Uy! JS driving strong. Foul!
May nakita pa rin. Foul naman.
Harold
Foul naman po.
James lumawag. Aray ko. Okay. Arnado, labas muna. Quality minutes kay Arnado. It's good. Tapos sa kabilang po si Valdez, nilabas muna rin po. Kanilim pumasok. Defensor against number 16. That's Garcia. Kick pass. Out of bounds. Palpal. Perez. JS. Defensor. No good.
Foul number 20. Third personal foul number 20.
Number 28, third personal foul. It's out. Defensor first shot, no good. Second shot. It's in.
Basket.
Garcia. Pilau for 3.
Number 18.
3 points, Pilau.
3 points.
Ito kalamangan. 7 with the advantage.
Bautista, Matawe, bakal. Ibu ko yung safety. To number 15. Das, Bautista. Ay, may hawak, may hawak.
Foul.
Ito sulit. Sabi ito sulit.
Hindi gumamit tao. Defensor for 3. No good. Palpal.
Malalaki yan.
Welcome to the land of giants, Mr. Garcia. What a block. Smothered by JS. Pilao, tingin 3, nope. Kalimlim. Wala. Nice one by JS. JS, nagmamadali. JS, nakalusot. JS. Foul.
Foul number 7.
Number 7 called for the foul. JS shooting for 2.
Basket.
Basket made. No good. Kalimlim. Circocate. Oy! Stepping on the line. Okay, Castor, papasok muna. Castor, papasok muna. Garcia. Pilao. No good. Defensor. Liipit ang konti. Defensor, liipit. Double teamed. Defensor. Hounded. Castor. Bautista sa ilalim, malalim. Isa pa, Bautista 2 points. Pinakaskas. Handball situation. Nice hands. Cashball, 10 po kalamangan, 4:40 remaining. Wala. Again, Bautista on the line.
Foul number 9.
Second shot, jumper shot ready. Wala. Op! White ball. Okay, Di Guzman papasok muna para kanino? Para kay number 7. Okay, hindi siya hindi siya hindi rin kumorin. No good.
Porte to shoot. Bakal, rebound number 61.
Defensor and one play. No, walang tawag. Kalimlim. Najib, turn around. Wow! Oy, traveling gold. Traveling gold. Nice D by Rocamora. Nice D by Castor rather. 3:27 remaining and time will call by Team Dub. Ito, basta. Salamat ha. 3:27 remaining. The score is 60-48. A 12-point advantage imposed now by Team Cas over the Hub. Story so far po. Story so far. Ay, grabe. Bautista.
Defensor.
2 points. Easy basket. Valdez, number 0.
San Miguel.
Sa Miguel, wala. Rebound. Pero kung bola, hindi. Junicio. Pilao. Foul. Nadaganan.
Foul number 0.
Pilao fouled by number 0. Pilao number 18, shooting for 2. A 14-point lead advantage already been posted by the Hub. By Cass over the Hub. It's out. Second shot, jumper shot, ready po tayo.
Basket.
It's in. 13. JS nandun din sa loob. Nagtitimon naman ngayon si Defensor. JS Defensor. Decat. No good. Rebound. Still completed by San Miguel. Pilao for 3. Nope. Driving. Take 2.
Foul number 9.
Okay, balik muli po tayo. Defensor was called for a foul. Pilao shooting for 2. Pilao. No good. Tapos. Second shot. Jumbo shot ready po tayo. 2:24 remaining. It's in.
Sabito Sunan.
Okay, Di Guzman para kay Gozum. 40 minutes in kay Di Guzman. Defensor calling the shots again. Castor right to Defensor. Binababa ang bola ni Defensor.
Ten.
Two points.
Basket. Down.
Valdez. Pilao sa ilalim. Palpal ni Castor sana. Pero sumapit. Castor Coke for the foul. Pilao number 18 shooting for 2. Pilao number 18 shooting for 2. Basket made. A 40-point steal advantage has been enjoyed now by Team Cats over the Hub. Out of bounds. No good. And now JS. A minute 50 remaining.
Gozo. Defensor.
Defensor.
Jose.
Rosabon. Bautista. Foul! Ay, sorry. Foul on De Padua.
Foul number.
De Padua.
Dito na. Timeout. Cash.
Cash, tumugol for the timeout.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game ulit po tayo mga boss. Constantine Wilisium, Mr. Rebron Harold James. Ano bola? Okay, Bautista shooting for 2. Ha? Kinapos. Second shot, Bautista, jumpers ready po tayo. Airborne also.
Number Number 28.
No good.
Wala,
Defense
wala,
off.
defense off. Hindi ba yung hindi na, nakakabagay na. So, ba naman 28? Take the shoot. Number 28.
3 points go to Loro.
Number 20.
No good.
Wala, hindi mo man number 20. Ingat lang ang mga looks. Ingat talaga yung mga idol. Good job, good. Okay. Ingat na lang mga idol. 10 to shoot.
Omas.
5 to shoot.
Okay, that's it.
22 seconds. 20 seconds.
Inicio.
Basket.
2 points Inicio. Omas.
Ayaw pa naman magpahawak ng lista.
Okay, that's it. I believe so. Congratulations. And win number 2 taken by Cas. Final score, 67-51. Win number 2 now taken by Cas. Maraming salamat po. Sabi po sa third game po natin sa gabing ito. See you.